Hello, welcome to the channel, guys. So yesterday we had shared the support and resistance for Nifty and Bank Nifty, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the rest of the stocks, and let's see how it performed today. To be honest, it was not the support and resistance was not that good with Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Although Nifty gave us a chance to short here, and it took support here, but not in Bank Nifty, because it Bank Nifty was like consolidating with huge volatility today. You can see it. The range was from here to here. The our like my setup didn't work today in Bank Nifty. Nifty, I got one opportunity here till this point, and in stocks it was like good. uh, Most of the support and resistances work today. Reliance, you can see here it got rejected, here it took support, again rejected, took support. In HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank also, it was not that great today, to be honest. Like it was, you can see, you can see for yourself, it was not good for good was not good with the setup. But Kotak Bank was the uh, like the best one today, because it opened gap up, got rejected from the line, came all the way till this support, took the support, again went back, got rejected here, then consolidated for so long, broke this resistance, went till the next resistance, again broke it, came down, you can see. And in HDFC, again gap up, it opened gap up, got rejected from our level, came down till this support, broke this support but didn't reach this support, consolidated here, again broke this, and again reached till this resistance, and again got rejected and came down and closed. Hindustan Unilever was also good. Again it opened and got rejected from this level, took support here, got rejected from here, took support here, again consolidated here, again got rejected and almost reached the like closed near our support. When we see TCS also was good. Like it got rejected after gap up opening, but here we couldn't have taken a trade. Here there was a good opportunity, it got rejected, came till the support, again went back up, broke this support, came down till the next support, took support here, and went back up till the resistance. So let me tell you how I take a trade with this setup. The setup is very simple, like there is no big deal with this setup. The stop loss is also very limited with this setup. So what I do is, like, I have this RSI, this RSI and stochastic RSI. This RSI is, you can see, this is the Hima Reddy's RSI power zone. So basically what this RSI is basically divided into four sections. The top green one is the resistance bull resistance zone. This red one is the bearish resistance zone. This green is the bullish support zone, and this red one is the bearish support zone. So I will explain this when I say how I take a trade. I use stochastic to get a confirmation when it reaches either of my support or my resistance. So when it reached my, say here, when it reached my resistance, I look for a crossover in stochastic. So you can see the crossover happened in the second candle. So I will go short here and put my stop loss above this, and I will look for a confirmation in this power zone RSI. So you can see it got rejected from the bearish resistance. I will enter this trade here, this candle 2794, and I will exit at 2783. and I will put a stop loss here, 2801. So let's take one more example. Let's see what's happening here. See, it came all the way down from there till here, cross this. So already the crossover has happened here. You can see the crossover happened here, this candle, but I will wait this candle to close above this. I will take an entry here. You can see it has taken support from the bullish support zone. So I will take a trade. I will go long from here and I will exit here. That's how I take my trades with this setup. Once you take a trade from a particular support, you can always trail it beyond the next resistance. If it broke the resistance and it's going up, you can trail it. That's your wish, but normally I will cut my trade from one line to another line. So here are the lines for tomorrow. You can pause the video and write it down, or you can go to the Telegram channel and you will get the same lines there. So this is the Nifty lines, Bank Nifty, Reliance, HDFC, Kotak, HDFC, Hindustan Unilever, and finally TCS. So you can pause this and write the levels down, or you can go to the Telegram channel and get the same lines. I will post the screenshot there. So hope everyone have a good trading day tomorrow. So see you in the next one. Bye.